You won't believe what I just found.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, ATL, ATL. It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL flipper, ATL flipper.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Good morning. It's Derek and Jasmine, also known as the ATL Flippers. Listen, we are out in the town today. You know, my husband actually let me take over doing our intro because he is driving, yep. As you can see. So listen, we got a few spots we got to run to. We just dropped the kids off, and so we literally blocked off today to be out in the field, going thrifting and flipping. So I think we're going to hit up Goodwill. We're going to hit up a few other spots in Atlanta. So
Value Village.
Yeah. Y'all already know the go-to spots.
A few thrift stores. See if we can find anything good.
He being so extra because we had a light, y'all. But anyways, we're going to catch y'all in a few. We're going to let you guys know what we found for the day. And hey, y'all stay tuned.
And if you guys like that type of content or this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? Doing good. What's up, man? Are you over here today?
Yeah, I am.
Cool, man.
Got 50% off on orange tag.
Okay. Appreciate you. Let's go in and see what they got.
All right, you guys. So I was looking through the purses at Goodwill, and look what I found, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is definitely a Dooney and Burke purse. So we're gonna cop that. And here's the thing, you guys. It's only $4.99. Super dope.
Never heard of this brand before. First Light. First Light, never heard of that before. Oh, this is the matching one to it. All right, let's see about this new brand right here. First Lights. First Light pants. Ooh, okay. All right, let's see how many. It's 26 listed. Let's see how many sold. 256 sold. Wow, the sell-through rate is crazy. Oh my gosh. Are y'all seeing this? Look at this. And these are brand new, look, with the tag. Brand new with the tag, y'all. First Light M Catalyst pants. Let me see. Before I get all excited. Okay, pre-owned. Yo, this is crazy. Wow. Pre-owned 148. 150. Brand new 180. Oh yeah, that's a good pickup right there. See what the vest is selling for right here. Let me see. So it's not many of the vests that sold, but one sold pre-owned for 77, another one 100, another one 75. So I can get probably 100 to 120 for this one right here. Y'all, this was a really good pickup. $6, look. $6 for the vest. And the pants, they're only asking, look, $6 for both of them. Oh yeah. This is awesome. All right, let's go see what Jasmine up to.
I have been looking, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I just found. Boom, Lululemon. Haha, there you go. Yeah, I literally saw these two pair back to back Lululemons. Not only that, you guys, but I also found Athleta. Y'all know my favorite. Leggings as well. And y'all know I still got this Dooney and Burke purse, so I'm super excited that I grabbed these few things. So we're gonna keep it looking.
Yo, this is crazy, babe. Look at this.
Let me see. Ooh, what is this? It says
the brand is called First Light. I've never heard of this brand. I looked it up. They only asking $6, but these pants, brand new, go for over $200.
Get out of here.
Yes, babe. This go over $100, brand new.
Dope.
You did really good though. Proud of you. You did good.
On to the next spot.
All right, let's roll.
How long have you been married?
6 years. September made 6 years.
We be hanging in. I've been putting up with him, boy. It's been a lot though.
We can get along and stay together.
I not.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, marriage is dope, bro.
I love it.
Like marriage is dope, man.
But the thing is how you date and how you court. That's what makes the difference.
Yeah.
People begin linked up with the wrong person, and then you think marriage is gonna change that. Nah.
Nah.
It's gonna bring out a whole other
Mess
side
you
of
up,
people.
yeah.
Yeah, but with the right one, you don't mind putting in work.
Yeah. Appreciate it, bro.
ATL flipping.
What up? Oh.
How I feel knowing your wife flip more than you in that last store?
Hey y'all, she got some really good stuff, man. Like she really killed it.
Really
She
killed
did good.
it, but
She did really good.
I
I'm proud
learned
of her.
from the best though.
Just pulled up at the next thrift store. We're about to go inside and hopefully, man, we can find something really good again.
Again, hopefully you can find something good again.
I found something great at that last thrift store. So I don't even know what why you want to hate on me this morning?
I'm just saying, y'all want to see us debate? I'm just saying, like
She found
this
something
is
good,
ATL
so she
flipping
thinks she, you know.
versus okay, but I'm just saying, give me my props.
You did good though. You did really good though. You
I'm
did
trying.
awesome. Proud of you. We're here at the thrift store about to go inside. And yeah, we're just going to see if we can find anything good. And come with us. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. Good morning. How y'all doing? Got some hokas right here.
That's pretty much all they bring out. Cause they sneak.
Hold up, shorty.
Intense.
What's going on, Mr. Bob? All right, that big money? How everything going?
Good, man, good.
Yeah, I know it's going good. You talking about
Oh,
yourself.
oh. I'm small change. I'm small change.
You small change.
Yeah, big money.
Y'all big money.
You.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're just leaving the Goodwill, and I know we couldn't record literally everything of what we found because
There was a lot going on.
Yeah, one of the ladies, she actually hooked us up, y'all. She said that she wanted to give us her discount because it was senior day, so we had to hurry up and check out. So we're just gonna show you guys all the things that we picked up and how much they probably could go for. So we're gonna pop up the comps on the screen so you guys can see what they sold for and what they're going for on eBay. All right, y'all, the first pair of shoes we picked up were these Adidas right here. Then we picked up some Jordan 11 lows. These are a size 4Y. Hold on, let me make sure. No, I'm sorry. These are a size 5Y. These are the Concord lows. Then picked up some Huaraches. And all the shoes here was $5.99. $5.99. Right here, $5.99. Right here, $5.99. Then we picked up some Boston Celtic 1s. These are a toddler size 10. Then we picked up for $5.99. We picked up some Air Force 1s, gray and white ones. And these are actually in really, really good condition. These are a size 8.5. Then picked up some Nike Air Max. And these were $5.99 too.
All right, you guys, I'm excited because I actually found some finds when we went to the thrift store. So let me show you. Come on, babe. Look, Peter Millar has been a brand that I've been listing a lot. We've been selling a lot. And so I found you guys not one, not two, but tell them, babe. Three Peter Millar tops. I'm excited. These were only $5.99, you guys, and they're going for $30 to $40. All right, and next up, you guys, I found a Patagonia short sleeves top. We've been selling a lot of Patagonia hats, a lot of Patagonia jackets. We found the short sleeves top, $5.99 again, you guys. So we're gonna get this listed and flipped. And last but not least, y'all already know the brand that I love, Athleta. For all the ladies out there, the leggings, workout pants, whatever you want to call it. I got my Athleta pants for $5.99, so we're gonna get this listed and flipped.
All right, y'all, then I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 hats, y'all. And the hat's AT&T, but it's by New Era, and it has the Falcons logo on the back. So I'm not sure how much he's gonna sell for. I'm probably gonna list these for like $25, and I only paid $2 for it. So 2, 4, 6, pay $8 for all of them. So, you know, hopefully I can make a little bit of money. And then I picked up this Titleist hat right here. Has a little golf club on it on the side, and this hat also went for $1.99. So these go for around $20 to the $25 too. And then I picked up this Fisher Price robot, right? It doesn't have any batteries in it, so, but it's going for a good amount. It's called Casey the Kinderbot. So yeah, I ended up grabbing this, and they're only asking $4 for this one right here. So I went ahead and scooped this one up. Then for $13, the last 2 items we picked up was a Samsung tablet, and it both works. They both work. And then a Lenovo tablet, y'all. This is crazy. Literally, I was like, hold up, is this a tablet? And the comps will be on the screen. This one was $13 too, and they both work. Both of them were charged up and they worked. So see if I can cut this one on.
Well, you know you don't be typing.
I know, right? I don't type at all. Yeah, I just swipe because it's got Android, you know. But yeah, found both of these for $13 each, and we're gonna make a ton of money off of all this stuff that we picked up. All right, let's go. We are at the last spot. Hey, you won't believe what I just found. Oh shoot, I think these are Yeezys. Let's see. Hey guys, I just want to show y'all right quick a few ways to authenticate these shoes. I actually had a pair of these back in the day, and so I kind of know when I picked them up that they were Yeezys, but I just wanted to make sure that they were 100% authentic. So the first thing I look at is the toe box right here. Yeezys, they always make Yeezys with a narrow toe. If you see Yeezys in the toe box right here, it's extremely wide. That's a dead giveaway right there a lot of times. That is fake. All right, the second thing is going to be on the inside flap right here. On the fake Yeezys, you see the 3 stripes? 1, 2, 3. On the fake ones, the stripe right here, it actually stops like down here. It's a lot of space, but on the real ones, it actually goes all the way up here. The last way I'm going to show you guys is this piece right here. This piece, you can push it in some. As you see, I'm pushing it in, and the fake ones are like extremely hard. So that's one way, well, a few ways that there's a whole bunch of other ways I can, you know, show you all whatever, but I don't want to, you know, take up too much of y'all time. But if y'all have any questions on or want me to authenticate, you know, shoes for you guys, Jordans, Yeezys, whatever, just hit me up on Instagram at the ATL Flipper. It should be in the description, and I'm gonna look out for you all. Got some Ferragamos. Ah, it's cracked. These are super fake. I got the shops right here.
Hey guys! So we're interrupting the video really quickly. Well, y'all see we have our whole edition, but we wanted to say thank you to everyone who participated in helping us name our chip and make suggestions.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So we're excited. We're about to announce the new name, but before we do that, we just had to give a quick disclaimer. Right, Boo?
Yep.
My mama!
That's not the disclaimer, y'all. But look, the disclaimer is, so our friend Rachel, again, you know, we bought the chip from her, but we just wanted to support her because she was trying to raise money to, you know, get her new car and everything like that, and we just wanted to support her. So that's the main reason why we ended up, you know, buying the chip and supporting our friend Rachel. And then second disclaimer is, y'all, please don't go to the store and buy a bag of Lay's potato chip.
No.
Don't do that. And list it on eBay.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't
okay?
do that, y'all.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and name our chip.
Yep, without further ado, we're going to pass it off. So, babe, let's go ahead and do it.
All right, let's get it. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to let Jeremiah, he's going to pull the name. We put all of the names. We wrote all the names down in the bag, and Jeremiah's going to pick a name.
So
all right, you ready?
Shake it up. Shake.
We're going to open it.
All right, get ready, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Okay. 3, 2, oh.
Pick one.
Just one. And give it to JJ.
Here you go, Daddy.
Good job, man.
Okay. So give us a drum roll, please.
Drum roll, Jeremiah. Come on.
The name of our new pet is the ATL Chipper. It was from Shar F.
All right, Shar.
All right, Shar.
Thank you for naming our new
pet.
And thank you for everybody who participated. So what's the name of our new pet again?
The name of our new pet is the ATL Chipper.
ATL Chipper. And he still sleeps, so
Yeah.
Yep. But look, guys, we're going to go ahead and let you guys get back to the video. All right? See you guys in a little bit. Oh, yeah. And shout out to the Atlanta Braves, the World Series champs.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. This was a crazy haul. Crazy haul.
Yep.
Now, we found some amazing things, and I'm driving too, so I'm looking at y'all.
I'm ready for you to focus on driving. The people can hear you.
So we found some amazing things, y'all. And them Yeezys,
super
crazy. They go between $300 to $500, y'all.
Yeah.
And actually, they were only $5. So it had a tag of 18, but on the bottom of the shoe, it had $5 on it. So ended up paying $5 for a pair of Yeezys.
So excited. And then y'all saw all the finds that I got. Like, listen, I'm getting on ATL flipper level. I'm so excited, boo. Are you?
Yeah. You getting up there, man?
Yeah, it's good. So we appreciate you rocking with us today as we've been out at the thrift stores. We've had an awesome time. Again, don't forget, if you like this type of content, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. But make sure you leave us some stuff down in the comments, too. And let us know what you think about the video. But until the next time, we're going to keep it rolling.
We're going to talk to you all
in the next one.
Yep.
See y'all later. Bye.
Peace.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL.